Hare Krishna, I'm Sunita Sunil with you in 2-minute Mahabharata stories. We will see chapter 15, verse 1 of Bhagavad Gita. अथ पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः पुरुषोत्तमयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलमदशाकम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित्. The translation is, in this verse Sri Krishna begins with the famous Urdhva metaphor. The entire material world is described as an inverted tree. The roots are upward in the Supreme Brahman, the Krishna. As a tree gets nourishment from its roots, this world gets its existence from the Supreme. The branches spreading downwards are all the varied creations, that is, humans, Vedas, animals, planets, etc. The leaves are the Vedas which protect the nourish a tree. The Vedic hymns protect the world and give the rules for living in it, keeping the tree alive. Avyayam is imperishable. The cycle of creation seems to go on forever. It keeps sprouting again and again. The moral is, Sri Krishna says one who understands this tree, like Adi Shankaracharya, that is, its origin is not in this world but above it, and that attachment to its branches which binds us. He is the true knower. Also, we could see the example of Ramanujacharya, where he says you must cut this tree of attachment with the axe of detachment. We can see many examples from Adi Shankaracharya and Ramanujacharya also. Thank you. Good day to all of you. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣವೇ? ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನು ಅಶ್ವತ್ಥ ವೃಕ್ಷದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಇದರ ಬೇರುಗಳು ಮೇಲ್ಮುಖವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳು ಕೆಳಮುಖವಾಗಿಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಇದರ ಮೂಲವು ಈ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಮೇಲ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈ ವೃಕ್ಷದ ಕೊಂಬೆಗಳು ಮೇಲಿನ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಂಧಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಅರಿದವನೇ ನಿಜವಾದ ಜ್ಞಾನಿ. ಆದಿಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಮಾನುಜಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಬೋಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಅನಾಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಪರಿತ್ಯಾಗ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ ಇರುವುದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಗುಡ್ ಡೇ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು.